going on? Today I will show you how to make an easy bake cookies at home. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. And these are the following ingredients. This is all the ingredients you need. First, you need a 1 and 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, Harina. And next, dark chocolate or chocolate chips. Actually, chocolate chips yung ginagamit dito. Pero I prefer to use dark chocolate. Ang gamit ko pa ng chocolate dito is Goya. Tapos next is 1/8 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. And then you need a 50 grams butter or margarine and 1 egg. 1/4 cup of white sugar and 1/4 cup of brown sugar para makuha natin yung crunchiness ng cookies. First step, kailangan natin i-melt yung butter sa low heat lang kasi masusunog yung butter. Add white sugar and then add a brown sugar and then mix it. Then add egg and mix it. And in a separate bowl, we need to mix a all-purpose flour, salt, baking soda, and mix it well. And mix. And this is the dry ingredients. And vanilla extract. I add vanilla extract for additional flavorings. This is an optional. And next step is you need to mix the dry ingredients to your wet ingredients. And then mix. Technique pala dito is konti-unti lang ilagay mo ng dry ingredients natin, tapos mix mo ulit, tapos pag nahalo na yung dry ingredients, and then mix again. And this is how it look like when it's done. Add natin yung chocolate chips or dark chocolate. Remember to butter the pan and then mold your cookie. We will bake it for 5 minutes. Itong process na to, depende yan sa microwave mo. And it's done! Wow! Hey you! See you on my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Adios!